In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from USA to Nigeria using Sendwave. We'll walk through the entire process from your phone, so by the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to check, and how to avoid common mistakes. Keep your internet connection stable and have your payment details ready so everything goes smoothly. First, download the Sendwave app from your device's app store. Search for the official Sendwave app and confirm it's the genuine listing by checking the developer and recent reviews. Once it's installed, open it and allow any essential permissions so the app can verify your device and send you important notifications about your transfer. Next, sign up or log in. If you're creating an account, you'll be asked for basic information and a mobile number to verify. Follow the prompts carefully and create a secure passcode. You may be asked to confirm your identity, which helps protect your account and ensures your transfers are compliant. Add your preferred payment method, typically a debit card for quick delivery, and make sure the name on your card matches your profile details. Now add a recipient in Nigeria. Choose Nigeria as the destination, then enter the recipient's information exactly as it appears on their bank records. Depending on the options available in your app, you can select a delivery method such as bank deposit or cash pickup. If you're sending to a bank, you'll select the bank and input the account number. Double check every character. A small typo can delay delivery. Save the recipient so it's faster next time. Enter the amount you want to send. The app will show you the exchange rate, any fees, and the total your recipient will receive in Naira. If there are limits for new accounts or first-time transfers, you'll see those here. Take a moment to review the breakdown so there are no surprises, and only proceed when you're happy with the rate and fee. Confirm and send. Review the recipient's name, bank details, the amount, and your payment method one last time. When you tap send, you may be prompted for a security check. Keep the app open until you see the confirmation screen, and consider saving the receipt for your records. Your recipient receives instantly in most cases. Bank deposits typically arrive within minutes, though occasional delays can happen due to bank processing. You can track the status in the app, and your recipient may get a notification from their bank. If something looks off, use the in-app help to review the transfer details and contact support if needed. That's it. Simple, quick, and reliable. Send only to people you trust, keep your account secure, and you'll be all set for your next transfer.